This video shows how to get started with the SJCAM SJ30. 1. Camera overview. Two. Flip screen. Press both unlock buttons. Slide the screen up to flip it open. 3. MicroSD card installation. Press and hold the USB protective cover. Slide it down to open. Insert the MicroSD card as shown. Close the cover to finish installation. 4. Power on and off. Press the power button once to turn on the camera. Press and hold power button for 3 seconds to turn off. 5. Photo and video recording. After powering on the camera, press the record button once to start recording. Press the record button again to stop it. 6. Camera interface overview. Swipe left or right on the touchscreen to switch between shooting modes. You can also tap the shooting mode icon to change the shooting modes, such as burst, live streaming, or car mode. Tap the corresponding icon to switch shooting modes. 7. Control Center overview. Swipe down on the screen to open the control center. 8. Lens switching. The camera switching is divided into manual mode and automatic mode. For first-time use, the camera starts in manual mode. Manual switch. Method 1. Press the power button once to switch lenses. Method 2. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the control center. Then tap lens switching to change lenses. Auto mode. In auto mode, lenses switch automatically based on ambient lighting. In low-light environments, the camera switches to the starlight lens. In bright environments, the camera switches to the daylight lens. Manual lens switching is disabled in auto mode. 9. Voice control. Swipe down to open the control center. Tap the voice control icon to enable voice control. Say the command, "Start recording," to begin recording. Say the command, "Stop recording," to end recording. 10. APP connection guide. Method 1. Download from the APP store. Search SJCAM X in the APP store. Find the app shown in the video and download it. Method 2. Scan the QR code to download the APP. Scan the QR code with your phone. Then you'll be taken to the APP download page. Tap download to install the APP. 1. Quick Bluetooth connection. Enable Bluetooth in your phone settings. Open the SJCAM X app and select Bluetooth connection. Tap Connect Camera and wait for the connection. Once the live view appears, the connection is successful. 2. QR code connection via APP. Open the control center and tap the Wi-Fi icon. Open the SJCAM X app and select QR code connection. Scan the QR code. Once the live view appears, the connection is successful. 3. Manual connection. Enable Wi-Fi in your phone settings. Swipe down on the camera screen and locate the SJ30 Wi-Fi name. Tap the corresponding Wi-Fi network, then enter the default password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap Join. Exit settings and open the SJCAM X app. Tap Enter Camera. Once the live view appears, the connection is successful. 11. Charging and file transfer. 1. Charging the camera. When the camera is powered off, the red indicator light turns on. When charging while in use, the indicator light appears pink. 2. Connecting to a computer. Connect the camera to a computer using a USB cable. You can access camera files, use webcam mode, or charge only.